Okay, hello everyone. Hope all will be fine with you. And here I made the cooking project sample after hearing your presentations, and I made it and hope that it will guide you through your cooking project. So this line will have you step by step try to make your own sample based on this. If you need any help, please let me know. Okay guys, so in this side, or you can see on the top is the country. So please tell me what country that your group chose, and note down detailed information for me please, such as where is it, what is the main religions, populations, and anything famous about the landmarks or interesting facts that we would like to know. On the right hand side, try to find the correct flags and insert in the blue rectangle. If possible, please tell me the meaning of its flag. Try to Google it, okay? Okay, so in this slide, tell me what the food of your group choose and the reason behind it. Try to give me some 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, and on the right hand side is the blue rectangle. Find it on the internet and put the pictures that you expected and note down the main ingredient. Please tell me exactly how many tablespoons or how many loaf of bread if possible, okay? Okay guys, this is the final part of the cooking project. Then this is very important. Please take the pictures of your products of the first trial. Whether is it successful or a failure, don't worry, okay? If it's successful and you're happy with it, that's fine. But in case if there's something wrong, please tell me how would you improve it when we are going to make it on that day, alright? If you need any help, also please note it down here so I know in advance.